We are back with another Las Vegas home tour. If you like home tours, stick around for this one today because we're out here in the Northwest on a custom home cul-de-sac, over half an acre lot. We're gonna jump into this one right now, so stick around. Welcome back to the channel, and if you're new here, my name's Bryan Knisley. I'm your local Las Vegas real estate broker. This channel is for everything Las Vegas, whether it's real estate like this or big, huge cacti like that. We are all about Vegas, so please reach out. We love hearing from you, hearing from people all across the world, helping them find their dream home right here in the Vegas Valley. Please reach out below. The information is below, and please subscribe to the channel. Really helps us out. Appreciate it, and we're gonna get into this tour right now. Let's go. Welcome to a truly custom single-story home located in the highly desirable northwest side of Las Vegas, conveniently located near Lone Mountain and Summerlin. This property is available at an asking price of $1,020,000. The home was built in 1996 and offers 2,798 square feet of living space. It has 3 large bedrooms with 3 full bathrooms. If you have multiple vehicles or need workshop space, you'll appreciate the ample RV parking and storage sheds this property has to offer. For outdoor living, picture yourself relaxing by a Pebble Tec pool complete with a waterfall and slide. To elevate the experience, there's even an above-ground spa. The home occupies a generous lot of over half an acre, which means you have ample space and privacy in your outdoor areas. So at the location, you'll find easy access to Ann Road and the I-215 freeway, and when it comes to shopping and dining, downtown Summerlin is merely a 13-minute drive away. And if you're the outdoor type, you'll be thrilled to know that Red Rock Canyon is just 20 minutes away. As we walk up, you guys, I want you to notice we're in the end of a cul-de-sac here with 4 homes in this entire cul-de-sac. All of these properties are going to be over a half acre. So once we get out here to the northwest of Las Vegas, one of the reasons why I love it out here is because you get wide open spaces, a lot more room to roam. And again, more than half acre lots out here. Got huge RV gates that open up into your 2-car garage and RV parking that goes into the backyard there. And then as we walk up here towards the front, got tons of mature landscaping out front. We got some artificial turf out here, so it stays green year round. Lots of stone work as we walk up to the front patio. Look at that thing. Is that the biggest cacti you've ever seen? Only in the desert. Got a big, huge enclosed security gate patio here as we walk in. Big, huge light. Little front door. You think that I would kind of blow that out and make this door much bigger, but. So as we walk in, again, this property was built in the mid-90s. So again, you're probably gonna need some updating in here. Not a huge fan of this tile at all, but again, everybody has their own taste. This is the glossy tile with the earth tones in it, but this is pretty much your main living space as we walk in. We've got French doors that go out to the backyard, which we're gonna take a look at here pretty soon. Got a little bit of a wet bar over here in the middle of the living space, the sink, wine racks, things like that. We're gonna head to this side first where we're gonna see the kitchen. So come on over here. So as we walk into the kitchen, you see a big granite kitchen island. Again, a little dated on the fixtures and whatnot and the finishes, but spiced maple cabinets, stainless steel appliances. This property, again, built out in the 90s, so we do still have propane out there. And from what I'm told, the only thing that's run off of propane is the stove. Everything else is on city gas. Little breakfast nook area here with your glass tile, or the old school glass tile, yeah. Fireplace, more of a formal / dining area out here. And as we walk this way, we're gonna see we've got a pantry for the kitchen and half bath here. And then we've got a 2-car garage that as you go up the RV gates and come in from that way, you could see access to the 2-car garage here. All right, let's head over to this side of the house where we have the 3 bedrooms. We got a little den area over here, office / den. Got the hardwood floors in here. And then as we walk over here, we've got storage space here. 2 of the bedrooms on this side, we got more storage in here. Standard size bedrooms here. Bedroom number 2, pretty much the same size. And then we've got the laundry room off to the side here with the utility sink, storage cabinets above, a half bath here. Oh, I'm sorry, full bath here. Shower, servicing these 2 bedrooms on this side. And then as we walk over here, we're gonna see the primary bedroom on this side of the house. Walk into the primary, we got a big, huge walk-in closet here. It's pretty deep, goes way back over on this side. And then the primary bath on this side. We've got French doors leading out to the pool area, which we will go see in just a minute. Big, huge jacuzzi tub in there, more glass block for you. And huge walk-in shower right here with multiple shower heads and dual sinks. And last but absolutely not least, let's go check out the backyard. So we go through the primary bedroom here, get to the back. And with over half an acre, it's actually 0.65 acres. We got lots and lots of room back here. And most of the value on a property like this is definitely gonna be in the land, but let's go check out the separate space over here. As we walk around, we got a bit of a grassy area here. Looks like they had pets because we've got some doggy doors on the side of the house that leads out to here for the grass for the dog to do their business. We've got a elevated above ground spa out here with some, rock formations around it, which is kind of cool. And then we'll go back in here. Huge concrete patio on the back here. Put some, looks like they had a TV on the wall, some outdoor space out here. As we walk out, we've got big, huge Pebble Tec pool, waterfall, slide, the whole works out here. Really nice pool. And then on the other side over here, I think we can get to it. Let's go this way. So as we get to this side of the yard, you see in the pool, we also got a sun deck here where you can put an umbrella in there. All the pool equipment's off in the back corner. And then we've got multiple doors leading out to the back through the house there, so you can get from the kitchen. And we've got some garden beds out here and plenty of parking and storage out here on this side of the house. These are the RV gates that go out to the front. You got your 2-car garage, some storage sheds out here, and lots of room to park all of your toys. Thanks for hanging out with us today on a tour of this more than half-acre custom home out here in the northwest of Las Vegas. Again, you guys, this channel was designed for everything Las Vegas, real estate, lifestyle, everything. Please reach out. We got your back. Information's below. Subscribe to the channel. Really helps us out. We'd appreciate it. We can continue bringing content like this to you. And if you've stuck around this long, then you probably like property tours. So we appreciate you being here. I will see you guys on the next one.